Welcome back, camping enthusiasts. In this video, we're going to be checking out the best bushcraft gear that you can buy today. Despite what advanced survivalists might suggest, you should have more than a simple pocket knife on you when navigating a wilderness environment. The best bushcraft gear can help you create a makeshift shelter, stay well fed and hydrated, and even craft other helpful bushcraft tools. Our team of camping experts have spent hours researching and testing bushcraft gear. These are listed in order based on performance, quality, and price, and there is an option for every type of camper. So if you're looking for the best bushcraft gear, we'll have the product for you in this list. We've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which are in your budget range. Now let's get on with the video. The fifth product on our list is the compass. Nothing puts a damper on an outdoor adventure quite like getting lost in the woods. Not to mention, delving into the unknown and losing track of your base can quickly put you in harm's way. A compass provides you with a much-needed sense of direction and allows you to navigate unfamiliar territory. Purchase one and keep your pocket navigation handy in case your life ever depends on it. And number 4 is the first aid kit. While starting fires, crafting tools, and gathering resources, even the most experienced survivalist is at risk of an accident or injury, whether it's a burn, cut, bite, or break. In these types of scenarios, having a first aid kit on hand could very well save your life. A high-quality first aid kit will usually include the following items: bandages, various sizes, medications, cold packs, antibiotic ointment, hydrogen peroxide, adhesive tape, splints, scissors, tweezers, latex gloves, and more. The third product on our list is the fire starter kit. One of the best bushcraft skills you can possess is the ability to start a fire, as it provides you with an energy source for light, warmth, and cooking. While there are a handful of ways to start a fire, with a magnifying glass or a battery for example, a fire starter kit allows you to start your own fire in just about any environment and at any time of day. A fire starter kit might include any of the following items: lighter matches, magnesium fire starter, flint spark wheel, cotton balls, fire starter squares. Of course, you can buy a top-notch fire starter kit that is equipped with all of these items, but you can just as easily build your own. Remember that we have the links in the description for all the products mentioned on this list, so don't forget to check them out. And at number 2 on the list is the sleeping bag or space blanket. As much as you might wish that you could bring your cozy bed along for the journey, you'll need to turn to something a little more lightweight and portable. Sleeping bags and space blankets are two of the best options for a chilly evening. Although a sleeping bag can usually be rolled up and stuffed inside a carrying sack, it still manages to take up a significant amount of real estate in a survival backpack. If you can't afford the room, try a space blanket. Although it doesn't provide quite the same warmth as a sleeping bag, it's both lighter and smaller. What's more, it allows you to retain up to 90% of your body heat. The best bushcraft gear is the tarp or tent. To thrive in a wilderness environment, finding shelter should be one of your main priorities. Of course, it's unlikely that you'll have the luxury of an RV or cabin, and you may not have the time or the well-honed primitive skills to construct a stable wood bushcraft shelter from scratch. You can, however, rely on bushcraft tarps or tents. Either one of these shelters will effectively shield you from the elements and provide you with a dry space. A tent is highly convenient, as it will usually include poles, stakes, and any other accessories required for setup. With some very basic knowledge, you can set up most tents within a half hour. A tarp shelter might have a slightly steeper learning curve than a tent, but with a little know-how, you can pitch in a frame shelter using little more than a few guy lines and poles. Thanks for watching. That's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give us a like and hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.